Hey guys, Jody Flanagan here, your recteq grills expert. Today we're going to do a backyard pork butt. Yes, I said backyard pork butt. This is not a competition pork butt. This is easy peasy lemon squeezy, K-I-S-S. Keep it simple, Sally. Stay tuned. Doing all right. I'm all right. Got a beautiful friend here with me tonight, and I guess I'm doing all right. All right, guys, we've got about an 8-pound pork butt here. I'm not going to take any fat off of it or anything because I'm going to take the fat off of it when I pull the pork butt. We're going to apply a binder. Today, I'm using the recteq brand yellow mustard. That's right, recteq brand yellow mustard. You can use anything you like. A lot of people like to use maple syrup. A lot of people like to use brown mustard. Chef Greg also likes to use beef base for his binder. This is, if you don't like mustard, you will not taste this. You will not taste the binder. It will get cooked off. It is simply to hold that seasoning on there. And I also washed and dried this pork butt before applying anything to it. I'm gonna apply the Ray's Front Row Master Blend. This is a good all-purpose seasoning. Rosaruski's Honey Rib Rub is also a good alternative. Liberally season your butt, guys. Don't be afraid of the seasoning. There's no way to over-season it. And I always tell folks, if you don't want to season it, and it's your very first pork butt, try it like that. You may like it unseasoned. And if you don't want to season it at this step, you can pull the pork and you can season it right when you pull it. It serves the same purpose. But this is going to create a good bark for us, guys, and make it taste delicious. And that paprika that's in this rub is going to give us some amazing flavor. We got this 8 to 9 pound pork butt seasoned up with the Ray's Front Row Master Blend. We've got the RT 700 bull behind me, chugging along at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna place this bad boy on the inside. I'm gonna take the probe that's connected to the Pellet Wi-Fi controller with that smart grill technology. I'm gonna place the probe on the inside of the pork butt and allow the recteq app to monitor my cook the whole way. Once this pork butt reaches an internal of about 165 degrees, we're gonna take it off of the grill, wrap it in aluminum foil, and continue our cook. The ultimate goal is to get this bad boy to an internal temperature of 203 degrees Fahrenheit. This is a great time to use your cooking mat, stick-resistant cooking mat from recteq Grills. We'll place this bad boy right on there. It'll make taking that pork butt off a breeze. We're gonna take our probe, we're gonna slide it in the thickest part of that meat, trying to get it close to the center as possible. You want to make sure when you're taking that pork butt off, you wrap it really tight in that aluminum foil. When you place it back on the grill, go ahead and insert your probe to the thickest part of the meat. Again, we're searching for an internal temperature of 203 degrees Fahrenheit. The butt has reached an internal temperature of 203 degrees. We're going to take our bullpen. We're also going to check it to make sure that everywhere is probe tender. You want it to go in and come back out very, very easily. And of course, that was probe tender. Our 8 to 9 pound pork butt has reached an internal temperature of 203 degrees. So we've taken it off of the recteq RT 700 and we're gonna let it rest. You do not have to wrap it in a towel. You do not have to put it in a cooler. Just let it sit on your cutting board in your kitchen for about 30 minutes and you will be fine. Been a long time since I seen your face. I knew we'd be together another time, another place. Yeah, I can't believe it's been so many years. You better grab a chair and a couple of beers. Dude, you looking good in your three-piece suit. I always knew you'd take the business route. I don't trying to follow in the line, but I guess they're doing all right. All right, guys, we've let our pork butt rest about 30 minutes, and she's ready to be pulled. Let's take her out of this packaging. A good aluminum pan works well because you can keep some of that juice if you want. But essentially, we did not trim it, so we do want to flip it over. And we do want to separate all of that fat from our pulled pork meat. Do not want to mix that in, because nobody likes a big old mouthful of fat when they bite into their pork sandwich. So, again, you can kind of see there's the money muscle. You got some tubes in here, but it's just falling apart. One way you can tell why you got a good pork butt is that everything just comes right off the bone. You can see it's still kind of hot. But we're good to go. Take off all of these connective fat and things like that. You don't want to mix that in. And once you've separated all that stuff, you're good to go. And you can mix this with the awesomest tools that God gave us, our hands. Man, this stuff looks great. We got our pulled pork butt here. We've taken away a lot of the fat and a lot of the stuff that we don't want to eat. At this point in time, you're done. If you wanted to take it over the top and recteq it, you can add some of the extra recteq rubs and the recteq gourmet barbecue sauce. That would definitely take it up a notch and make it amazing. But right now, you're ready for a pulled pork sandwich. Go ahead and taste this. Perfectly moist. It's got a great texture. Thanks for watching this video, guys. We'll see you at the recteq. Beautiful friends here with me tonight, and I guess I'm doing all right. And I guess I'm doing all right.